Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to change password on Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter. Make sure you have already downloaded Twitter app on your device and make sure you have already logged in your account. Now go to profile icon and here on bottom you can see settings and support. Expand it and click on settings and privacy. Here click on your account and now you can see change your password. Now enter your current password and now enter your new password. And again confirm your new password. And then so you have successfully updated your password. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.